Today I want to talk about transportation planning within supply chain. Transportation, and in particular the transaction management part of it, has been very effectively addressed over generations of TMS solutions in the last 2 decades. Yet, when we talk to our clients, two distinct situations emerge over and over again. One, where clients have multiple TMS solutions operating in various parts of the supply chain, solutions that do not talk to each other in a seamless manner. And second, where there has been an absence of a budgetary argument to invest in a new age TMS. In both these situations, one thing is common, that there is no centralized intelligent transportation planning layer that could control and monitor the entire supply chain. This situation prompted us at Tredence to go and develop an intelligent ML and OR based transportation planning layer that could integrate very well with existing TMS ecosystem or could act as a standalone planning tool. Some of the features that we have built along the way are as follows. One, the ability to consolidate and combine loads through mechanisms such as multi-pick and multi-drop. Second, an ability to either postpone or delay the shipments or advance a few shipments from the next couple of days to optimize costs while of course taking care of the service levels. Number three, to plan a multimodal transportation planning route in a more effective way. And fourth, very important, an ability to audit the execution that has happened in the days gone by and see whether there has been a deviation from the plan. We have been building more and more features continuously, and we know that we will be able to address most of the problems that are there with respect to the centralized planning layer that exists in the industry today. If this topic interests you, please contact us on tredence.com or click on the link below. Thank you.